Well, Jarrett, it's that time of year that is just so special for me. I love the holidays. I love these opportunities to reflect on all the things that I'm thankful for, to spend time with family and friends, and really enjoy the things that make life rich and special, which is the people that we're with. So great time of year for me. And I was just thinking about all the advancements, the major accomplishments in 2024 that have really made it just an incredible year. We started with the Athens campus in the spring, and it was just an incredible new extension of the Memorial Health System into our neighboring county, and we have seen such a response from the people over in Athens, so much opportunity to serve and so much appreciation from that community for the services of the Memorial Health System. It's been so exciting to see that campus open and really have a major impact on allowing people to stay close to home for their health care. So super fun. And then we rolled, it felt like right from that, right into this groundbreaking ceremony for the Women's and Children's in the fall. And we had the governor down, and oh my goodness, that was just it was like a once in a lifetime event to be able to be a part of something that created so much excitement for the people of the Mid-Ohio Valley. And not just the Mid-Ohio Valley, but we saw the same kind of excitement from folks in Columbus and in DC, because I think it's so unique for rural communities to be able to have partnerships that are so rich that we can bring pediatric, subspecialty care, and incredible women's advancements to rural Appalachia. It's just it's a unique opportunity to serve, but is super exciting for everyone, and certainly for those of us here at the Memorial Health System.
Absolutely. And, that day we also announced the campaign, the public phase of the campaign that's helping drive a lot of this. And on that day we announced that we had achieved $37 million in gifts toward our $50 million goal of the Together campaign. And today we get to share that since October 8th, we have raised an additional almost $1 million toward this effort, and so we have about $12.1 million remaining to raise to make all of this a reality. But we've been able to do this for a few years now, and sat down and reflected this time of year. And this time last year, we were talking about getting ready to open the pediatric emergency department, which did open in January of this year. And you talked about partnerships. That's a partnership with Akron Children's Hospital. So another great advantage for our community.
Yeah, there's so many things to be thankful for. It's just, it was an incredible year. And this, the Together campaign, when we started and we said $50 million, I thought, oh my goodness, this is Parkersburg, Marietta. That's money we don't talk about often here. But to be already only $12 million away from our $50 million goal is truly amazing, and it warms my heart yet again to see so much support at so many levels from this community. But it tells me what the need is here, and that people recognize that we're filling a void that's been here for a long time, and we're really going to make healthcare for generations to come something really amazing and special.
We are. And we talk about numbers a lot, and I'll mention one more set of numbers and then talk a little bit about impact. But this past year, we have had over 900 donors join us with a gift, and that's extremely special. We are continuing to see our donors grow year over year, and to your point, they do want really good healthcare locally. They want those options. But those 900 donors contributed more than $2.8 million this year in cash to us, and so another incredible year. But it's not all about the numbers. It's about the impact that we're making, and we've talked about keeping healthcare local and close to home for people. But also this year we provided funds for our uninsured and underinsured patients, about 200, to get diagnostic testing that they need that they may not otherwise be able to have. Hundreds of gas carts that we've distributed through our clinics and the hospitals, because transportation's a really big barrier. And $10 and $20 gas cards often is all patients need to ensure they're getting the care they need for that week. To our, helping our cardiac patients with cardiac rehab, their
Yeah.
co-pays that they have to do. There's just so many areas of the health system that we're able to help patients, but none of it would be possible without those 900 donors year over year that we have, because that makes those things possible, and the really big things possible, like Women's and Children's Hospital, and a
Yeah.
pediatric ED.
Yeah, we think of healthcare in the big, like the big buildings and the huge pieces of equipment that are really expensive. But the reality is, the way we individually experience healthcare is very personal. And those gas cards that let people overcome the barrier of transportation and all those gifts that allow cancer patients to have meals.
Yes.
There's just so many ways we can help our community, and these 900 donors they just got it right. They really did. They found something that really makes us a better community. I'll tell you one of the results, Jared, that I'm most proud of this year, all the partnerships that we started. We celebrated this year the 1-year anniversary of our Mayo Clinic Care Network journey. And with Mayo, we've been able to see incredible lifts for our community in quality. And this fall, we learned that we've been awarded the Leapfrog grade of A, the highest level of safety and quality that a hospital in the United States can get. And I'm so appreciative of the partnerships with our community with these 900 donors, and these partnerships we've had with folks like Akron and Mayo that have really helped lift this healthcare to the best the world has to offer. And that's our commitment back, is that in return for this support, we want to build great healthcare, world-class healthcare that's right here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. So, I'm appreciative that we have great friends in Columbus and Cleveland, and so we know we're surrounded by really big brands and great healthcare. But I live here, and I want that same care for the people that I live with, my friends and neighbors here in the Mid-Ohio Valley.
Often, living here, if you haven't needed healthcare yet, you kind of take it for granted. You don't know what is here until you need it. And over this past year, we have met so many people that have been so grateful for the care we have here, but also us sharing what services are here. We kind of opened that door to people to understand they can get a lot of their care locally, and so it's been exciting to share that message. The Mayo Clinic has helped us do that, joining that. It's been a great thing to be able to talk about and to share what we do. And coming up, we're right on the edge of our next Giving Tuesday on December 3rd, and it's another opportunity for our community to come together like they have for the last 3 years. This is our 4th year participating in Giving Tuesday, which is a national movement, a day for us to come together globally to support the organizations that we care about. And we set a big goal. We are going to try to raise $400,000 from 300 donors on this one single day. Our community has helped us surpass our goal every year for the last 3 years, and I know they'll come forward. And again, it's we talk about these big numbers, but it's truly the impact behind it, because in large part, the money that we're going to raise on this day goes to support the 30 funds that we have that are direct care patient funds that are helping the things like the gas cards, helping in bariatric services, helping in through diabetes education, helps with kids that go to a diabetic camp each year that their parents can afford to send them to this very specialized camp and know that they're going to be well taken care of. That's what this day is about. And everything stays local. We put it right back to our patients. And so December 3rd is this next opportunity for you to join us. There will be lots of promotion about it. You can visit our website at mhsystem.org/givingtuesday, or you can always call our office at 740-374-49 1-3. But this is a day that it's just so exciting, so robust, so many people we get to talk to all in one day, and gifts are flooding in. It's extremely exciting to know that so many people care and are coming together on that one day. Our own team members really take a hold of this day and make it theirs. Last year about 50% of our donors were our own team members that participated.
Wow. Well, our team understands the impact we have on this community, and I think it's hard for me to imagine, Jared, any local charity that could have a bigger impact on the quality of life here in the Mid-Ohio Valley. Every dollar we raise, we put right back into these funds, these opportunities to serve this valley. I had a young mom who was going through cancer treatment tell a story of the ability to get healthy meals through the Change Plate, because while she was going through her cancer treatments, it was so hard to ensure that her family was eating well. And so the meals that we were able to prepare at the Change Plate so that they could take back meals each day for her family were something that was really special to her. And it's donations like we'll get on Giving Tuesday that replenish those funds and allow us to make sure that all those families going through those really scary and traumatic events, that we make it a little bit more special. And we care for them a little bit more.
We do.
In unique ways. And that's what Giving Tuesday is about to me. And as we enter this holiday season and we celebrate so many of the things that we're thankful for, and we look forward to next year and all the amazing things we can do next year, it's with our partners that support this health system, that believe in making healthcare really great, that I am most appreciative. And I want to say, from the bottom of my heart, I hope each of you all have a joyous and merry holiday season, that your families are blessed, just as you've blessed our health system with your support all year long. Thank you so much, and have a great holiday season.